Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on tutorials point. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your login error on the List app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, open up the settings menu on your phone. Once the settings menu opens up on your phone, scroll down and find the apps option. After you click on the apps option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, click on the manage apps option. So once you click on the manage apps option, a search bar will appear on your screen. On that search bar, type in LYST and click on the List app once it appears. Now, once the app information page of the List app opens up on your screen, on the bottom of your screen you'll see three options: force stop, uninstall and clear data. Go ahead and click on the clear data option, which is the third option. After you click on the clear data button, two options will appear on the screen. Now you'll have to click on the second button, which is the clear cache option, and then click on OK. This process has cleared all the extra data which you don't need from your List app. Now, if this process didn't work for you, you should uninstall the app and install it again. I hope this video helped you to fix your login error on the List app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.